In this video, I will show how to insert a long dash in Word for Mac OS and Windows users. So open your Word document. Guys, click on this Insert tab, Symbol and More Symbols. Now select Normal Text and General in Subset. Here you will see hyphen, non-blocking hyphen, figure dash, N dash and M dash, horizontal bar. So this is the old type of dash you will find in symbol. And also guys, you can insert this type of dash using your keyboard. A key you will find near backspace. This is the short, and with shift you can type this long dash. Alt key in Mac OS. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.